Oh my God. Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, thanks, man.
Oh my God. Yeah. So this is from the Paula Mesa Deli.
We're eating healthy today.
Over to the Quality Inn. Oh my God. That Quality Inn is the biggest dump.
I better put my helmet on because I'm better off riding on the bike. I don't know how to crash, but I don't know how to walk around. Normally, I fall down.
Oh. Look at this. Fresh.
Oh my God, look at the pickles and everything on it.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. You did it right. That's good, right?
That's a good sandwich. When there's more meat on it than bread, hell yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, and pickle. Pickle. Two pickles.
Dripping everywhere. That's a dripping sandwich right there. That's good.
Yeah, man. Good day. Got my arm flexed in. I think I'm good. We'll be back.
Good day, man. Box Raceway.
All right, buddy.